To draw a poppy, you just start with a very simple pattern. It's just curves connected together like this. And the center of the poppy is just a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect one. After you've done that, cut it out. And I cut these out of tissue paper. Crepe paper will work too if you have it. To make the little poppy, you want to squeeze it together at the bottom like this. And you want to really twist this together really tight, because this is the part that you're going to put next to the stem. Now, I've used fuzzy sticks, used to be called pipe cleaners, but you can use anything that you have. And you want to put it real close. And I'm going to use floral tape, but you can use any kind of tape that you have. Now, floral tape only sticks to itself. So when you put it next to this, you want to be sure that you secure it really tight so that it doesn't slip off. And after you've done that, you want to wind it around until you've secured it really tight. And then you want to open it up so that it looks like the poppy. After you've done that, and you've opened it up and it looks like a poppy, you want to take the little black circle that you've cut out and kind of wad it up at the bottom, put a little dot of glue there, and then drop the middle in, and there you have your little poppies. Thanks for watching. Remember to click the subscribe button and always be kind.